Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everyone, looking at SPY daily, weekly, shorter-term time frames. Big indecision doji today with the upper wick and lower wick almost the same size. Can't break this high yet. 214.69, 214.64, a lower high today. Did backtest and bounce off the 100-day moving average support. So we essentially have a couple higher lows, a few lower highs, and we've got a tightening range forming. The weekly is right at that middle Bollinger Band. We're above the middle Bollinger Band, but again, in these videos, I keep going to SPX cash level because we are not above the middle Bollinger Band there. It is a back test and rejection, and I like watching this level better just because SPY is affected by the dividend, and I like the S&P cash level here to watch this middle Bollinger Band going into tomorrow. We did just have some bullish earnings come out in biotech sector, ALKS, and then MSFT. Bullish earnings, so we'll see if that lifts the markets higher. We sure saw what Netflix did, helping give these SPY bulls a lift. But let's now look at SPY on the shorter term time frames for some trade opportunities. And we had a bullish start first thing, led by a big bear high volume dump. Anytime the highest volume candlestick occurs midway through the morning to late morning and not in the first 15-20 minutes, it stands out, and that was big bear volume. And then look at the other big bear volume later in the day, and then big bear volume at the close. So can't ignore that the bear volume outweighed the bull volume. And one thing that also stood out to prevent us from going too bullish here was the high of 214.53, a lower high of 214.42, lower high of 214.30, 27, 24, 24. So every time the bulls made an attempt, it was a lower high on the 5-minute. So we knew we weren't going to see a clear breakout or a lot of strength unless we broke that pattern, which we never did by the end of the day. I was also watching the hourly time frame very close. And let's look at that on the 2-day. And look at the range. Rejecting from the 200 period resistance, bouncing off the 100 period support, bounce again, rejection from resistance, rejection, rejection, rejection. So these hourly moving averages give nice insight. And I'm going to be watching this channel tomorrow to see where we open in the pre-market session. If we start with all moving averages as support on the hourly, we'll know to be looking to the upside and 214.69 key resistance. And if we start with all 5-minute moving average as resistance, we're looking down into the low 213s. So we'll see how it plays out. But again, Microsoft bulls on earnings should carry over, and we'll see if that gives the whole market some legs to end the week tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow after the bell.